Hello, so let's start with our Python first class. We'll start with a very basic coding. Our first class, so we will start learning with very basic coding. So I'm giving here a simple command print 2 plus 2, and I'm running this using shift plus enter. To run the command, we have to give shift plus enter. If we are giving only enter, it will be taking us to next line. Now I'm giving print 4 plus 3, 7. What is the purpose of writing print here? I'm going to tell you. If I'm writing 4 plus 3, and in the next line I'm writing 5 plus 6, and I'm running this, it's giving us 11. It did not give us the answer for 4 plus 3. Reason? Python runs line by line code. So it remembers what was the last code given and it is interpreting its solution itself. But we did not tell it to give us the solution for each of these equations. So if I write print 4 plus 3 and I'm giving print 5 plus 6, it's giving answer for the both equations. Let's take one more example here. Print 9 plus 10. And in the next line, I'm not giving the print command, I'm simply writing 5 plus 5. Let's see answer, what's the solution it's offering? 19 and 10. In the first command, first line, we gave it the command of printing, that print whatever is in the parentheses. These brackets are called parentheses. And it has given us the direct answer, 9 plus 10, printing the solution 19. Next, it remembers the last line, 5 plus 5. So if I did not give the print command the last equation, still it is giving the answer because it remembers the latest command it has been assigned. So let's understand the different operators. Operators are basically the mathematical operations. If I say 4 minus 1, it's giving us the answer. 5 minus 6 minus 2. So this is that addition, subtraction. Now let's understand how we write so multiplication. 3 into 6. So I use star as a multiple sign, 18. 4, 7, 35. If this is multiplication operator, and if I have to give a division, 10 divided by 5, 2.0. So it is going to give the decimal value itself. If we want to remove this decimal, then we call it a float division. 10 divide, double divide, or float division. So it is giving the remainder as 5, no point value. And again, if I want the remainder value, 10, we will mark the sign of percent, 2, 10% 2, 0. It is not giving the 2% or 10% of 2, it's giving us the remainder value. So these are the four basic mathematical operations that we can work through. Let's learn further assigning variables, working with variables. So this is a code line. Let's see, this is right. I've written this and this is width is green because it is reading it as a code. If I mark this from here, mark down, it will be taking as a normal text. And if we want to give a bit of fonting, we can add hash. We have to give space. It will be taking writing it as a bold and bold heading. but I don't want to write it as a heading, so just simply. And if one more thing, if you want to decrease the size, you have to add more hashtags. It will be similar. Okay, working with variables. Variables, if I assign any alphabetic variable as some value, a equals to 10, b is equals to 5, c is equals to a minus b. What is it? Is simply running the command. I did not ask this that what is the value of c. I have defined the relation. If I ask for the value of c, it is giving us as 5. Python is case sensitive. Again, in the first video, I've also told, I ask for capital C, it's giving us C is not defined because we have defined it this as a small case letter C. So that's it for these simple operators. You can practice them, and further in the next lecture we will learn on how we can code find out the area of different geometrical shapes. Thank you for watching the video.